Speak English naturally. 75 Daily Sentences for Real Life, Part 1. In this video, you'll practice 75 easy and useful English sentences for your daily routine. Perfect for a 2B1 learners who want to speak naturally and confidently. Repeat after me and shadow my voice. The more you practice, the more fluent you'll sound. Let's start learning English together. Step by step, every day. Part 1. Do you want to speak English with confidence? Do you forget words when you talk? Don't worry, I'm here to help you. Today we'll practice 75 simple and useful English sentences. They're easy, natural, and you can use them every day. I'll say the sentence. You repeat after me. Then shadow my voice. Ready? Let's begin. Daily routine. I wake up early every morning. Repeat after me. I wake up early every morning. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I usually eat breakfast at home. I usually eat breakfast at home. Sometimes I drink coffee before work. Sometimes I drink coffee before work. I go to school by bus. I go to school by bus. I walk to the office when the weather's nice. I walk to the office when the weather is nice. I like to listen to music while walking. I like to listen to music while walking. I study English every evening. I study English every evening. I often watch TV after dinner. I often watch TV after dinner. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Topic about asking for help. Please repeat after me. Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? Could you say that again, please? Could you say that again, please? I don't understand this word. I don't understand this word. Can you explain it to me? Can you explain it to me? Now, the weekend activities, don't forget to repeat after me. What do you usually do on weekends? What do you usually do on weekends? I sometimes go shopping with my friends. I sometimes go shopping with my friends. I often visit my family on Sundays. I often visit my family on Sundays. We like to eat lunch together. We like to eat lunch together. I usually play football in the park. I usually play football in the park. Do you like reading books? Do you like reading books? I often read before I sleep. I often read before I sleep. My favorite book's very interesting. My favorite book is very interesting. Great job. Keep repeating and listening to the video again and again. It will make you perfect at speaking fluently. Movies and weather. Repeat after me. Do you watch movies in English? Do you watch movies in English? Yes, I watch them with subtitles. Yes, I watch them with subtitles. It's sunny and warm today. It's sunny and warm today. Yesterday it was very cold. Yesterday it was very cold. It sometimes rains in the afternoon. It sometimes rains in the afternoon. The weather changes quickly here. The weather changes quickly here. I forgot my umbrella at home. I forgot my umbrella at home. I need to wear a jacket. I need to wear a jacket. The sky looks very clear now. The sky looks very clear now. It's going to rain later. It's going to rain later. I like spring because of the flowers. I like spring because of the flowers. Winter is my least favorite season. Winter is my least favorite season. Nice job. Keep repeating again and again. It will give you confidence to speak like a native speaker. Eating out. Repeat after me. I'm hungry. Let's eat something. I'm hungry. Let's eat something. Can we go to a restaurant? Can we go to a restaurant? I'd like a chicken sandwich, please. I'd like a chicken sandwich, please. I want a glass of water. I want a glass of water. You want some tea or coffee? Do you want some tea or coffee? This soup tastes really good. This soup tastes really good. Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please? Do you take cash or card? Do you take cash or card? The food is delicious. The food is delicious. Thank you for the meal. Thank you for the meal. Great job. Ending part 1. Great work, my friend. You've practiced 75 daily English sentences with me today. Repeat often, and you'll speak more clearly and naturally. In the next part, we'll learn English for travel, shopping, talking about your city, and more. So don't forget, like, share, and subscribe to your channel, Easy English Journey. See you in part 2. Till then, goodbye.